Hello friends, in the previous video lecture, we had learned about the different types of shots. In this video, we shall learn camera angles. There are certain basic angles which are normally used in movies or documentary videos. In them, the first one is low angle shot, also called up shot. There's high angle shot or down shot, Dutch angle shot, over the shoulder shot or behind the shoulder shot, and point of view shot, which is also called POV. First, let's start with low camera angle. This shot is used to show the subject, that is, the actor or the villain. For example, you must have seen that in many films, the entry of the villain is shown from such an angle. This is also known as an up shot. Here, the camera is kept below the eye level of the subject, and the object is shown large. After this, there's high camera angle or down shot. This shot is the opposite of an up shot. Here, the camera points downward from a high position. It is used to show the subject as someone who is powerless, weak, or scared. The Dutch angle shot involves a slight tilt in the frame. Such a shot is used to show something that is wrong or something that feels sinister, like an uneasy motion. After that, we have over the shoulder shot or behind the shoulder shot. This shot is used to show a conversation. This can involve a close-up shot or a medium shot. When two people are talking to each other, one character is shot from behind the shoulder of the other character. This shot is mainly used for a conversation. Then there's point of view shot or POV. In this shot, you can see what the character itself sees from its own point of view. This shot is used when the character is seeing something, like if the character is working on a computer or is seated on the driver's seat driving a car. In such cases, you can show what the character sees and show the mind status at a personal level. Keep in mind that adding multiple camera angles in your shoot also adds emotions, intensity, and variation to your shoot, and makes it helpful for the video editor to edit the story. However, also keep in mind that adding camera angles isn't always better. When shooting from a different camera angle in your scene, do question yourself whether adding the angle is worth it. Camera angles are for the purpose of enhancing your story and not making it boring. So, only shoot what is important. Please don't add unnecessary angles to your scene. So friends, these are the kinds of camera angles. See you in the next video. Thank you.